Hi there! Today I'd like to share with you how to make a pool noodle float. My husband will be demonstrating how to make this green one. The two on top are the smaller child size, and the bottom one is the larger adult size. The only difference is in what size noodle you use. To begin, you will need 2 pool noodles and 3 zip ties that are 15 inches in length or longer, and I highly recommend working on a table. First, fold one of the noodles in half and take one zip tie and wrap it around the 2 open ends. Secure it, but don't make it super tight just yet. Then take the second noodle and place the ends in the first noodle you just worked on. It'll look like an arc. Like I said, I recommend working on a table. Make sure the second noodle is wedged into the first noodle and put a zip tie around both sides of the first noodle. The end of the second noodle should be poking out of the bottom of the first noodle. Now squeeze everything together and make sure to pull that zip tie as tight as it'll go. Now make sure to wrap the end of the zip tie around and through the noodle. Do not cut it. The ends are very sharp. Next, go to secure the other side. Make sure the other end of the second noodle is wedged into the first noodle. Then you can tighten the first zip tie that you used that was at the 2 ends of the first noodle. Pull very tight. Remember to wrap the ends of the zip ties around and through the noodle itself. The last step is to grab the last zip tie and wrap it around both sides of the first noodle next to where the second noodle is wedged in. Once the noodle is in a secured position, tighten that zip cord as much as you can. Then, once again, wrap the end of the zip tie around and through the noodle itself. I can't stress this enough. That way our kids can have fun with these floats and not worry about getting hurt. And it's all finished. Now we have a pool float. Let's see it in action. Here is the adult size and the child size. They're exactly the same. It's just the size of the noodle that's different. For the adult size, we use 4.5-foot noodles from Walmart. And for the child size, we use 4-foot noodles from Dollar Tree. Here I'm using the child size because I find it more snug and comfortable to have around me when I'm swimming or lounging. Yeah, I gave a thumbs up. These floats are fun for little ones and for mommies who just want to relax in the pool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!